And news overseas, a direct warning from China to the United States in the middle of a historic meeting between the country's leaders. And that is, if mishandled, the Taiwan situation could lead to conflict. We have the details from the CNN.
Day one of President Donald Trump's and Xi Jinping's historic summit now complete, with Taiwan instead of Iran becoming the headline-grabbing topic. President Xi warning the U.S. not to test China when it comes to Taiwan, saying if the issue is mishandled, it could collide or even enter into conflict, pushing the entire China-U.S. relationship into a highly dangerous situation.
When the United States is asked, would you come to Taiwan's defense? We don't answer that question one way or the other. We say basically it is our purpose to maintain peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait and to prevent war from ever breaking out.
The traditionally thorny issue coming as both sides also discuss the Iran war and the opening of the Strait of Hormuz, a point of mutual interest.
President Xi is waiting to see what happens in their discussions about Taiwan and other issues, because if he does intercede with the Iranians, he wants to do it in return for some other set of concessions. And it's not clear what that will be. I think he would like to see President Trump walk back some of the U.S. commitments to Taiwan.
Meanwhile, the U.S. Treasury Secretary hinting at multiple trade deals with China, including China purchasing American aircraft and guardrail discussions over AI. Trump and Xi will meet again on the second and last day of Trump's trip that ends during U.S. Thursday overnight hours. In Washington, Brian Abel reporting.
The Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break. Don't move.